Good morning, kids. Welcome back to math class. The topic for today's is pattern. You know, kids, what is pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen the different kinds of pattern in our daily life, like on clothes, bed sheets, sari, garland, etc. So, kids, look at the bracelet. We have the square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, and so on. Okay, this is called a pattern. Yes, this is called a pattern as it is repeated itself. Let us try for making few more patterns. Let's start. So we can find patterns in letter also na? Now observe the given pattern and write the next four letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternatively. This become a pattern. Yes. So the next letter will be, tell me kids. Yes, letter A. Then letter B. Then letter A. Then again letter B. Yes, this is pattern. Ye pattern hai. Now next. Did you know we find pattern in numbers also? Let's see how. Starting with number 1. Now 2. Now again number 1. Now 2. Now 1. Now 2. Now tell me kids. अब यहाँ आगे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, 1. Now next is, observe the given pattern. 1, 2, 3. And next 1, 2. So next number will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yes, 3. Good. So here this is your homework. Practice this at your home and neat and clean आपको कॉपी में write करना है. Complete the patterns. Okay. Now you understand now what is pattern? So do it fast, kids.